Okay, basically what we're going to do is a basic valve locating. Here you see that the black lead is going to your white common wire, and your red lead is going to the zone that you want to find, which happens to be the red wire. That's zone number 2. Here we are looking at our settings. You want to make sure it's on normal. Your setting wants to be between 4 and 10. So to find it, you want it more towards that 10. And then as you get the general location, you can dial it back either with the wand or on the transmitter, or both if need be. So here we are. We have it in, it looks like a low setting, relatively small yard. It's hitting on something, going around. Probably get a hit right there, so I double back. Definitely getting hits because I see it's pinging on 10, getting a hit. So now I'm gonna evidently raise it up. Now I'm gonna lower it a little bit, and I kind of got a general area of where that valve is. So now I have to kind of home in on it, and by doing so, you have to decrease the sensitivity, but not too much to where you won't pick up any valves. So here I am trying to do that. So right now we pretty much know that that valve is going to be under the bushes in the bed, like so many valves are in new construction, especially in small yards. There the helper is probing for it. You want to have a probe, but make sure you don't probe. And here, as you can see, we found the top of the valve box located in the bushes under the pine straw and a bunch of roots covering it. So our next step is to uncover it and